In this video, we will review how to archive and restore projects from the Organization tab on the Admin dashboard. Archiving projects pulls them from the Safesite mobile app, so mobile users can no longer access them. The project's information also remains available if it needs to be accessed in the future. Please note that organization administrators only have access to restore projects from the Organizations tab. To get started, log into your account at app.safesitehq.com from a desktop or a tablet. On the left-hand menu, select Organization, then click Projects. You will be brought to the Organization Projects page. Here you will find a list of all active projects within your organization. To archive a project, simply click on the three dots in the Actions column and select Archive. To restore an archived project to active status, navigate to the Organization tab and click on Archive Projects, and select the three dots in the Actions column. Then select Restore. You will now be able to access the information from the project, and it will be available to the project's personnel on the mobile app.